Hello everyone. I hope you all of you are fine. So welcome back to my maths video. So in the last video I have explained about the multiplication of integers and division of integers, right? And I hope all of you have watched my video, and those do not have not watched my video till now, so please watch it, okay? Then only you can understand it. So exercise 5.2, today we will start. So question number 1 is what? Add the following integers. So you have to add the integers which are given here. So a number is what? Minus 410 and 172. So you have to add this integer. So let's start. So students, all of you see here, minus 410 and 172. So that means you have to add these two numbers, two integers, minus 410 plus 172. So here you have learned about the rules when the two integers have the opposite sign. So they have the opposite sign. Here it is negative sign, here it is positive sign. When two integers have the opposite signs, then what you have to do? Then you have to subtract these integers, because if one negative sign is there, then you have to subtract it. So you have to subtract these two integers, two numbers, and the sign will be what? The greater number sign will be the answer sign. Okay, the greater number will have the sign. So here when you minus it, so it is coming 238. So this number is coming, you have to minus it. Then which sign will come? The number which is greater. Okay, the sign of the greater number will have the sign here. So greater number is 410, so its sign is minus sign. So you have to give the minus sign here. So the answer is minus 238 in this way. Understood? Now B number and C and D number are your homework. Now C number. Here you can see minus 88 and minus 43. So here they are having the same sign. Okay, so first of all you have to write like this. You have to do the addition. That's why you have to put here plus sign. So minus 88 plus, then you have to give here bracket minus 43, because it is minus sign, so you have to give bracket. Here in this case we have not given the bracket because here it is plus sign. So plus sign and plus sign will become plus sign only. So here you have to give the plus sign because here minus sign is there. So what you do when they have the same sign? So same sign, then the sign will, and then the answer sign will also be the same. Okay, here minus sign is there, both having the same sign, minus sign. Then in the answer also minus sign will be there. And here you have to do what? You have to do the addition. When the integers having the same sign, then they should be added. Okay, this was the rule. So they will be added because they have the same sign. So 88 and 43, you have to add these two numbers. So 88 and 43, you have to add these two numbers. 8 plus 3 is what? You have to add it. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Then 1. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 1 13. So here the answer is 131, and the sign will be what? Again minus sign, because they have the same sign. So same sign, that means in the answer also same sign will be there, and if they have the same sign, then they will be added. Okay, minus minus will become plus. Okay, they will be added, but the sign will be minus. Understood? So this is the way of doing. Now next, question number 2, what is given here in the next page? Question number 2 is subtraction. That means you have to subtract the following integers. So 2 number A, plus 11 from plus 5, you have to subtract. Now here plus 11 from plus 5 you have to subtract. So what you will write? From plus 5, that means plus 5 will come first. From plus 5 it will, you have to subtract, so you have to give a minus sign. Now this plus 11, so you have to subtract 11 from from plus 5. So plus 5 minus, then plus 11, you have to write like this. So plus 5 means 5 only, minus, and plus 11 is 11 only. Okay, because plus sign means, so if no sign is written, that means it is considered as plus sign only. So 5 minus 11, that means when they have the opposite sign now. Okay, if there is opposite sign, then you have to always minus it. So whenever you see the minus sign, you have to minus it. So here, which is the biggest number? Bigger number is 11. So 11 minus 5 you have to do. So what is the answer? 11 minus 5 is 6. Now the question arises, what will be the sign? So here sign will be what? The sign of the greater number. So greater number is what? 11. So here minus sign is there, so you will put here minus sign. The sign of the greater number is the sign in the answer. Okay, in this way you have to do the subtraction. Now next, B number, C number and D number are your homework. So here students, see minus 6 from minus 14. So you will write minus 14 first of all, then minus, then you will give here again bracket because minus sign is there. Whenever minus sign is there, give here bracket. So you have to subtract minus 14 minus minus 6. So now these two integers having the same sign. Same sign means what? You have to add it, but here minus is there. Here the subtraction question is there. So what will happen? Minus 14 you will write. Then here minus sign is there and minus sign is there. So minus minus will become plus. Okay. The rule of multiplication you have to remember. Minus minus is always plus. So you have to give here plus 6. Okay. Now here one minus sign is there and one plus sign is there. That means they are having the opposite sign. So you have to minus it. So whenever you see minus and 1 plus, then you have to do the minus always. Okay. Then 14 minus 6 is what? 8. Now which sign will be here? The sign of the greater number. So 14 is the greater number, so sign is minus. So here also sign is minus. In this way you have to do. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now question number 3, multiply. So here you can see many multiplications are given. So you have to multiply by following the rules. So a number minus 9 into 4. So here minus 9 multiplied by 4. So what is the answer? So you have to multiply the numbers first of all. Okay, so 9 4s are 36. Now what sign will be there? Here minus sign is there. Here no sign is there. That means if no sign is present, that means it is a plus sign. So you have to remember the rule. What is that rule? Minus and plus. So minus plus, when you multiply it is what? Minus only. So minus plus minus. So answer is minus 36. So the rule was given in the book. So where it is? Let me show you again so that you can recall it. So here you can see the rule is given. Minus plus minus is minus, minus plus is minus, minus minus is plus, plus plus is plus. Okay, here which one is used? B number is used. Minus plus is minus. Here you can see minus and plus is minus. Okay, in this way. So first of all you have to multiply the number, then give the sign. Now let's do C number. Here minus 13 into minus 13, that means both are having the same sign, minus minus. So what we'll do, first of all, I told you always multiply. So 13 into 13 is what? 169. Okay. Now what will be the sign here? So the rule was minus minus always become plus. So it will having the plus sign. Okay. So it is answer is 169 only. Plus 169 or 169. This is the answer. Understood? Now let's see this D number. Here 4 numbers are given. 4 integers are given. Okay. Here in this question, 4 integers are there. Minus 6 into minus 4 into 5 into minus 10. So how to solve this question? So you will solve two integers together first of all. So first of all 6 into 4. Okay. 6 into 4 is what? 24. Now what is the sign here? Minus minus is plus. So it will having plus sign. Then write this one 5 into minus 10. Write like this. Now again we'll do two numbers. Again we'll take 24 into 5. So here the answer is 120. Okay. Now what sign will be there? Here plus sign, here plus sign. So plus plus is plus only. So here no need to write because it is understood that it is a plus sign. Now give into minus 10. Okay. Now 120 into minus 120 into 10. So first of all you have to multiply the numbers. So 120 into 10 will be what? 1200. Now the sign. So here plus sign, here minus sign. So plus minus is minus. Okay, this is the rule. So this is the answer of this question. So you have to take two numbers together, then multiply. Again two numbers together, then multiply, and put the sign according to that. Okay. So students, I hope you have understood this question. So do the remaining question as homework. Now question number 4, divide. So how to divide? Let's start with a number. So students, here the division rule also same. First of all you have to divide the numbers, then put the sign. So 100 divided by 12. So 100 divided by 12 is what? 9 only. Okay. So now put the sign, here minus sign, here plus sign. So same rule of multiplication. So minus plus is minus. So here minus 9. So this is the answer. Very easy. Now next B number, 0 divided by minus 13. So students, you know the 0 divided by minus 13. So I told you already that 0 divided by any number is always 0. Understood? So answer is 0 only, and no question of sign, putting the sign, because 0 is a neutral number. It do not have any sign. Okay. Now question number C. Now here in question number C, the question is 144 divided by minus 16. So here again two opposite signs, here plus sign, here minus sign. But what you do first of all? First of all, divide the numbers. So 144 divided by 16. When you divide it, so it is coming what? 16 9 144. So the answer is 9. Okay. Now what is the sign? So here plus sign, here minus sign. So plus minus is always minus. This is the rule. So answer is minus 9. Okay. Now this question number E. Let's do the question number E. So students, here minus 322 divided by minus 14. Here you have to divide this number first of all. So here you can see the division, 14 and 32 divided, then it is coming 23. So answer is coming 23. Now what is the sign? Here minus sign, here minus sign. So rule is what? Minus minus is always plus. So it is plus 23. That means it is 23. Understood? So now I hope you have understood the division questions also. So the rule is what? Always remember that you have to do the operation first of all, whether it is multiplication, whether it is divide, whatever it is. Then you have to follow the rules to put the sign. Okay. So if you do not remember the sign rule, then it is problematic. You cannot solve the question. So it is very important to remember all the rules of the sign. Okay. So in this way I have solved many questions. So all the remaining questions up to 4 number, you have to do all the remaining questions as homework. Understood? So thank you.